Good afternoon, students. Yesterday we have done unit 4 completed. In that unit we have done about the magnetic effect of the current. When current is acting in a wire in a conductor, then what will be effect of the magnet on that wire? There are different cases of that conducting wire we have taken, that circular wire, straight wire, and what will be force act due to the current carrying wire inside the magnetic field. These topic we have done. Now today we will start our next unit, magnetism. In this chapter we will read about the property of the magnet and there about the geomagnetism due to the magnet due to the earth, and there about the different type of the substances of the magnet. In this chapter we will read. Now first topic, our magnetic dipole. Magnetic dipole. What is magnetic dipole? It consists of a two equal unlike pole separated by a small distance. That is, it consists of two equal and unlike pole separated by small distance. That is a magnetic dipole. Magnetic dipole, yes, in first chapter we have done electric dipole. That also have same thing, but there we are using the charge. When we are taking equal and unequal, when we are taking equal strength of an unequal charges with some distance, then it will be electric dipole. Same here, that magnetic dipole, when we are taking the equal unlike pole separated by small distance, then it become the dipole. So magnetic dipole moment. Magnetic dipole moment. What is magnetic dipole moment? This also strength, as we have done in electric dipole moment. In electric dipole moment we have done that strength due to the electric dipole. Same here, magnetic dipole, it is the strength of the magnetic dipole. Magnetic dipole moment is equal to either pole strength or length of magnetic dipole. That is a magnetic dipole strength. Then we can write it that M is equal to M into 2L, where M is that if we are taking this magnet, here we are taking south pole, here north pole, then length, distance between these two poles here is a 2L. Then magnetic dipole moment is the strength of either pole strength or length of the dipole moment. This one pole strength and this one will be our distance between pole. Now direction of M is always from south to north pole, and unit is equal to ampere meter square. Otherwise we can say ampere meter square. This one is a magnetic dipole moment. Now we will discuss about the magnet. What is magnet? Magnet is a material that having both attractive and directive property. Magnet, it is a material which having both properties attractive or repulsive. That having the both type of property, that is the attractive and repulsive, that is a magnet. Now we will do about this one, properties of magnet. What are the properties? There is a different property of magnet. Properties of magnet. Different property of magnet. First is a attractive property. Attractive property. Attractive property, when we will bring two magnet with each other, and if we are taking the unlike pole with each other. Now let here we are taking their north, here we are taking south, and here we are taking north pole, then here we are taking south pole. Then if we bring with each other both magnet, then they will attract with each other. And otherwise, if we are bringing any metal near the magnet, then it will attract that metal toward with each other, because they are having the attractive property. Now second is the directive property. Second, repulsive property. Repulsive property, if we are bringing two magnet of same pole, bringing with each other, then they will repel with each other, like this. Now third will be that like magnetic pole always exist in pair. Monopole does not exist. That is, magnet always, magnetic pole always exist in pair. That is, magnet is always exist in pair, that without one pole, that magnet is not possible. If we are taking a magnet, that if we are cut it, then again it will form the two pole, that will be north and south pole. Next property, magnetic induction. Magnetic induction, that when a magnet induce magnetism in a magnetic substance placed near it, then it phenomena is a magnetic induction. A magnet induced in a magnetic substance when a magnet bring near it. This phenomena is called magnetic induction. These are the different property of the magnet. Now next, our magnetic field line. Magnetic field lines. What are the magnetic field lines? These are the line tangent to point, that is the direction of field at that point. That is, they are starting from the north pole and end at the south pole. That will be magnetic field lines. Like this one, we are taking here a magnet, then this one south, this one north, then they will generate from like this one, like this one. Then these are the magnetic field line surrounding there any magnet, then there is a magnetic field will create, and this magnetic field will act up to that where the magnetic field line will align. These are the which are generated from magnet from north to south pole. That is a magnetic field lines. Now properties of these magnetic field lines. First, they never intersect with each other. They generate from the source. They generate from the source normally tangentially. They have the tendency, if they will form closeness of the line, the force closeness of lines measure large amount of force, and if distance is large, then magnetic force will less. Now these are the property of the magnetic field lines. When we are taking these magnet, then surrounding their magnetic field lines will form, that is the generated from north to south pole. Their property then never will intersect with each other. They will generate from the source normally, and where there is a close with each other, then force will be large. Now next property, they will form closed loop from initial point to final point. They will form closed loop. But electric, there is a difference between electric field lines and magnetic field lines, that electric field lines never will form closed loop, but magnetic field lines always form closed loop. Like this one, if we are taking a magnet, then here is a north pole, then there is a south pole, then outside there they will generate from north to south, like this one, in both direction. Then inside the magnet they will go from south to north, like this one. Then they will form closed loop. Next, monopole does not exist. Like this one, if we are taking a magnet, then here south and there, if we will cut it, then it is not possible. Then only south will form and only north will form. If we will cut it, then here this piece again will form two pole, north and south. Here also same, this one north and south, like this one. Monopole does not exist. Always magnet will lie in the two poles. And these are the different properties of the magnetic field lines. So this is the basic of the next chapter. So next topic we will start tomorrow.